Hi guys, welcome to Oxbow Harry. So today we have got Hoover trouble dryer. Model is 10 kilogram. A dry 300. One in all different things inside the trouble dryer. Okay, so what got first thing to do is I'll just show you. All brand new inside the trouble dryer. All different things inside. So we got all different. It's important that. So we got induction water. So you're different program. So we got all different things to program in the trouble dryer. So we have all different things, options like this. So we have you about 10 kilogram because the ox point and ox one's broken, but I don't know why. It's something to old. So we got to wash today dryer and be using them. So I've been using to wash with washer and dryer today. We have occupied washer. Probably washer about 9 years old, 10 years old now. 10 years old. The trouble dryer is probably 1 year old, 2 years old, something like that now. Because I'm born 22, 23, something like that. And this one means 16 occupied washer and 22 trouble dryer. Because the washers have been lasting a long time, but the washing machine I've only often that trouble dryer. The horsepower dryer is about more than that, and this one and the washer, because the dryer more than that, I forget that washer horsepower. I've got power dryer blue, so that's why that's the new ones. Yeah, so we have the important trouble dryer to taste if it breaks down trouble dryer quickly, or if it can't repairs, that's a new one again. So hopefully so the washing machine is really good. I've been using it a lot, why, yeah. So I'll see you hopefully if I can on this video, if it goes on YouTube. It'd be nice. So hopefully we have you trouble dryer, fingers crossed. And maybe just a bit hanging to wash name hanging in the house of people that like to wash the things. And I give them a go, the boss, OG, Oxboy, it just says, and I will give the thing, but if it's no particular thing, but it'd be nice to be different ones. So, I mean, hopefully, trouble dryer on one day, things out, maybe, we'll see. So, I will see you soon at the video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. I'll see you later.